Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'll be sharing my screens with you all. So I'll be starting off. Assalamu alaikum, and it's a delight to have you all here with me. And I would like to express my deep gratitude, and I feel really very honored and obliged to be a part of this online summit. So I'll be starting off with the Arts and Science of Teaching and Learning in Higher Education presentation. And before that, I'll just give a brief introduction about myself. I'm currently working as an educational developer and a digital content producer for the CTL and UMT Connected department. So basically, starting off with the agenda of this slide, it's basically is to introduce you and make you all familiar with the Arts and Science of Teaching and Learning course, and to provide you an insider's view of what an online environment actually looks like and what an online course actually looks like. So giving you a brief introduction about what the CTL department does is that at the University of Management and Technology, this department is basically responsible, and it encourages all the faculty members, and it provides them with support and student engagement and learning. So some of its core values include promoting reflective practices in teaching and learning, and it provides support for individual faculty members. It also does various kinds of workshops for the enhancement and improvement of our faculty members. So moving further, I will tell you about the course. The course basically consists of 3 parts, which consists of Mechanics of Teaching, part 1, that is a 14 session based part. And then part 2A and part 2B is based mostly on videos, and it consists of facilitating learning as well as curriculum design. So we'll see in detail some of the core benefits of this course. It provides you with a remediation. It actually provides you with a remediation for 24/7 access to the course. So you can study this course anytime online. And then you can learn various strategies, behavioral management skills through this course. It's very beneficial for the teachers as it helps them to learn how they can improve their student-teacher engagement. Moving towards part 1 of this course is basically mechanics of teaching. And in this part, you can see it provides actually effective teaching, effective student-teacher communication, and it boosts the communication in the classroom. It tells major communication skills, it comprehends the major learning goals, and it also individualize and customize the instructional behavior methods. So moving further, we'll see that the duration of part 1 basically is approximately, it takes you 40 hours to complete, as it's mostly a theory-based part, and it consists of 14 sessions. Then there are 4 assessments that you need to cover within this course, and there's one final assessment at the end of this part. Here is a glimpse of what actually the sessions look like in part 1. Then we'll see it even further. We have testimonials from the previous faculty members who have already completed the course. We got their views, that what they think about the course. Then we have the overview of the particular session. We provide various learning objectives for the session. Then there are certain learning activities which you need to go through. And after that, you need to perform the assignments and assessments. We have a greater discussion forum where you have certain questions and you need to answer those questions. There's a discussion which you can go through together with various faculty members, and you can even answer to the other faculty members in response to whatever they have said. Then we have a certain feedback survey where we ask 2 to 3 questions from the faculty members so that we can improve and enhance this course even further. Moving further, we have part 2A, which is mostly video based. And in this part, we have actually a case study from Prophet Jesus. And this is based on facilitating learning. You will learn various factors that underpin effective learning. Then you will also learn various designing and delivering workshops methods. And then you can evaluate the learning processes as well. And in this part, you can continuously reflect on your learning. And then when you further proceed to this part, you'll see that it consists of 13 sessions, and approximately 15 hours would be required to complete this particular part. There is one final assessment for this part, and then you have a workbook completion, and that workbook is to be submitted and completed online. Here is a glimpse of the video part actually, and this is how this part will start. And then this covers the video that is also provided by Mr. John Rogers, who is a consultant for adult learning. Similarly, moving to part B, which is totally based on curriculum designing. In this part, you will see the significance of how curriculums are designed, and then you will learn how to develop your own curriculum. It will help you with by various case studies and different learning outcomes. And then you will be able to prepare and write your own curriculums. You'll be able to better understand that how you should teach and how you should prepare your curriculums for better understanding. Then this part consists of 11 sessions and it approximately requires 15 hours to complete. There is similarly one assessment, final assessment at the end, and a workbook completion that you need to submit online, which will be based on part 2B, whatever you've gone through the videos. Similarly, a snapshot from part B, and then you finally have part 3, which is actually a focus group discussion. And in this, you will also be awarded with certification. Once who you have completed this course and gone through it, you will be completing the course, and then you can also have a face-to-face discussion. Thank you. And this course is also available to the rest of the university. So anyone who is interested, they can drop their email addresses in the chat box and we'll get back to you with all the details. Thank you very much. That's all from my side.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Anab Haq. That was really informative and very
Thank you,
well
sir.
organized and presented.